Experience a powerful blend of history and style with the Muhammad Ali x Adidas Originals Superstar, a commemorative release that captures the mindset, legacy, and visual identity of one of boxing's greatest icons. This special edition sneaker uses a clean black and white palette with gold accents to highlight Ali's confidence, courage, and unforgettable impact. Crafted with premium cloud white leather, sharp core black stripes, and a vintage cream rubber toe, the design balances classic superstar DNA with storytelling details. Embossed on the heel are Ali's legendary bouts, Thrilla and Manila and Rumble in the Jungle, bringing his greatest moments to life. His iconic quote, stamped in gold, amplifies the shoe's bold personality. Every texture, stitch, and contrast gives the sneaker depth, paying tribute to Ali's journey while offering a modern collector's appeal. Releasing December 11 at Shoe Palace, this collaboration delivers history, craftsmanship, and inspiration in one striking silhouette.